Welcome to the Shooting Show. This week we bring you some wondrous Welsh shooting from Brigands, plus all the latest news from the shooting world.
That should see us for this morning.
Yeah, brilliant.
Okay. Thanks, mate. Thank you.
Get you forward to one car if you can.
Okay.
That's fine.
See these? Super comfortable. So we're going to shoot a few steel cartridges today, the new Eco Wads from Eley. Browning have sent me down an Ultra XS Pro, so we'll have a look at it now. Open her up. I put the chokes in yesterday. I put half choke in it in both barrels. It's quite a good gun. It's a sporting gun, but comes with all different shims and pads and goodness knows what, so you can pretty much adjust it to whatever shape and size you are.
Is this the said?
Goes in there. Brand spanking new.
Nice.
There we are.
Only a fool would fail.
So we'll try the browning a bit later on today with the new 32g 3 Eco Wads, and let's see how they perform on high pheasants up here in Wales.
Very warm welcome to you all. Plan of attack today, guys, is we're shooting 7 guns. We'll number from the left to the right and on 7. Happy to move up 2. Okay. There will be a hunting horn to start every drive, hunting horn to finish every drive. Just shooting between these times, please. Please leave ground game well alone. Any flying vermin that is safe and legal to shoot, then feel free to do so. We saw our first woodcock here yesterday, but there is only one, so please leave our woodcock alone, okay? We haven't got many around, so as I say, please leave them alone. Just one thing, for those who haven't been here before, please be aware the beaters will always be high up in front of us, and on occasions, pickers high up behind us.
So this is the infamous waterfall drive at Brigands. They come off that skyline behind us and they go down this great big open valley beneath us. And these birds are doing all sorts. Some are diving, some are climbing, some are going left, some are going right. They're so difficult to read. It's just absolutely epic. They're motoring, I tell you. And there, I just feel that Brigands, I'm very lucky. I've shot a lot of awesome shoots in the British Isles, and we have got the best, I think, high-driven shoots that exist. But there's something very special about Brigands. It's not because I'm Welsh. I just love the fact that these birds are coming off these big open hills. They're diving, they're fast, they're slipping, they're sliding. In a way, they're like very, very high grouse, very technical, and very hard to get into a rhythm here. And just you'll shoot one and think you've worked it out, and then miss the next 10. It's just a very, very technically challenging shoot. They're fast, aren't they? They've got drives here for everybody. You know, people shouldn't be put off. It's an amazing shoot, and they can cater for all abilities. But if you want to just shoot the extreme stuff, this place is right up there. I mean, it takes an awful lot of beating. Look at today. You know, it's not a very nice day. The wind is blowing down the valley where we're stood. The beaters have already told them that the wind is blowing the other way at the top. So these birds are coming across, and you think because the wind is blowing left and right in the bottom that the birds are sliding that way, and in fact they might be sliding the other way. So technical. But look at these coming here now, look. This cockbird, first one. Like that. Monstrous pheasants. Look at that one over the middle. silly Welsh pheasants coming off the top of a mountain. Bonkers, in a great way. Some incredible pheasants there. And they must be mad pheasants to be up there on a day like this, aren't they?
He said we don't care about the result now.
We're on Heaven's Water, arguably the pheasant drive in the British Isles at the moment. These birds are just insane. They're coming off the top of this bracken bank. We think the low ones are 50-60 metres. We had a rangefinder up here, or the lower ones. It's just an incredible drive. Can go on and on and on. And again, like I keep saying, nothing straight, but there isn't. Nothing at all is straight. They dive in, they slide in, they're slipping, and they're all right on the limit of what ballistics can achieve with a shotgun. And it's just phenomenal. I loves it. Yeah, that's down, that's down. Nuts, isn't it? Yes, look at that. Yes! That's hit. It's incredible, isn't it? Shaking like a leaf. Yes, look behind. Right, Henbird. Yes. What a drive. You have to go a long, long way to better that. That is just shooting on the limit. Epic. Just words can't describe that. Shaking. It's just adrenaline. Just awesome, awesome, awesome. Using these Eley No. 3s on these, and I mean, yeah, just incredible. Just absolutely incredible.
You'll miss so many to get one.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Glad you enjoyed it.
Oh,
now you can see why we're raving about this place. Okay.
Something else.
So this is the Oaks Drive, very long-standing drive at the Brigands. They come out over these woods behind us here. They flush them off the top of those oak trees there. There's a little cover plot up on the top there. The guns are down here in this field underneath, and they basically go across. Some dive, some go straight. They go straight. Look out, because they take some handling. And they tickle them out. And yeah, it's just another classic Brigands drive, but it's just really, really, really good drive. Sorry. No, I wanted you to shoot it. I was waiting for it. Last drive of the day. Back on the Eley VIP Pro Eco. It's called Gwynnion. Another wonderful drive at Brigands. We're coming off this wood in front of us. We're number one. We're on the far left-hand side of the line. There's one breaking out now. And, this is a really, really, really good drive. What happens is they push it all up and they flick back over. And what you tend to do is let the first ones go, and then the higher ones come a little bit later. And you get some absolutely fantastic birds. There's Jamie's white doves. Daren't shoot them. That's the head keeper's white house up there. Thank everybody at Bettis Hall for an amazing day at the Brigands. Absolutely sensational. Good as it gets.
A truly wondrous game day there. And now it's the shooting show news.
This is the Shooting Show news. The British Shooting Show is going north once again. As well as the February show at the NEC, the British Shooting Show will also take place in Manchester at the Event City venue on the 19th and 20th of September next year. This second event will be known as the British Shooting and Countryman Show, and show organisers are so confident in their new venue they've already booked it for 3 years. And they said you can expect all the attractions the main British Shooting Show provides, including manufacturers, retailers, airgun ranges, demos, debates and more. Land managers in Scotland have taken a major step forward in counting mountain hare populations. A new app allows them to record real-time population data, all using a consistent methodology. Already over 100 gamekeepers have received training in the new methodology, and it's set to be rolled out across grouse moors and nature reserves nationwide. This should help firmly establish where there is a shootable surplus and where there isn't. With less than 6 months to go until the Northern Shooting Show 2020, organisers have confirmed once again that under-16s will get free entry to the show when accompanied by a paying adult. Adults can get advance tickets for just £13 from the Northern Shooting Show website. The show will once again fill the indoor halls at the Yorkshire Event Centre, as well as a huge clay line and other outdoor areas. It takes place on the 8th and 9th of May next year. And finally, with voting open for the Great British Shooting Awards 2020, we take a look at one of the categories you can have your say in. This week it's the Optics Product of the Year under £1,000, and the nominees are Bushnell Forge Scope, Hawk Air Max SF, Leopold VX3i, Night Force SHV 3-12x56, Vortex Diamondback Tactical Scope. You can have your say in who wins. Head to greatbritishshootingawards.com to vote. That was the Shooting Show news.
Instead of the normal outro, we're going to take some time to take a minute to remember those who've fallen across all conflicts to make the world a better place. They gave their today for our tomorrow. We will remember them.